square is mounted on a horizontal table as shown in figure full stop. As shown in figure, a mass of 3 kg is attached to the free end of the spring. The mass is then pulled sideways to a distance of 2 meter and released. Determine number 1, frequency of oscillation. Number 2, maximum acceleration. Number 1, frequency of oscillation. Number 2, maximum acceleration of the mass. Number 3, maximum speed of the mass. Written.
Yes, ma'am.
Now write the draw the diagram from the screen.
Drawn, ma'am.
Now see, I already given you what is spring constant.
Ma'am, the spring constant is 1200 nanometers. Newton meter.
And now I have written one formula in the screen. Can you tell me out of this F equals to Kx, what is the spring constant? The notion of spring constant.
Ma'am, K.
Yes. What is X?
Ma'am, can I reread the question once?
Okay. No, actually I'm asking the theory portion. What is X in theory? Not in this question. X is what?
Ma'am, I think it would be the mass of the.
Mass
It would be the
M. The notion for mass is M. No? Every time for mass I write M.
Oh, X was displacement. Sorry.
X is displacement. So what is F equals to Kx? That means suppose this is the wall and this is the floor.
Yes.
I fix one spring over here and I attach one box. And now I am pulling from this side. So I am having some force. From some force I am pulling this. So this force equals to F equals to Kx. Now K is the spring constant. X is the displacement of what? Of a spring. How much it is displaced from its original position. That is displacement.
Yes, ma'am.
Now read the question. Now write down what is given in the question. What is mass? What is spring constant? What is displacement? Then you have to turn the page if you have not revised the formulas. Which I am not sure that you have done.
Ma'am, I just get really confused during
Numerical.
Yes, ma'am.
You have to tell me what is the formula for frequency, time period, and acceleration and maximum velocity. That is what you have to find out in the question. So we have done already on numerical. I think we have done, or in theory we have done. We have got some formula like T equals to 1 upon 2 pi under root something something.
Yes, ma'am.
So you have to if you don't remember these formulas for time period, frequency of oscillation and all, you have to revise it. Just take your time, write down what is given in the question, turn the page, go in back, revise the thing. What is the formula for time period? What is the formula for frequency of oscillation? What is maximum velocity? And tell me.
I had a question.
Yes.
I don't know why, but from like the very beginning, I get really scared and like anxious when I have to do questions like numericals, etc. And I'm just like my mind goes blank. So
That,
how do I deal with that?
see, that's why I told you why this is happening, because in your mind somewhere you are thinking that I am not that much good in maths. That is what
Yes,
you
ma'am.
are facing. You think that when numerical, this is not only for you, this is for all bio students. If you ask your friends also, they think that they are very weak in numericals and they are very confident in theory portion.
Yes, ma'am.
Isn't it? I know now what you people think, that whenever physics paper will come, if one numerical we have done, that is more than enough, and we will
Yes, ma'am.
score marks in theory portion. We are good in theory. We will just study it, learn it by heart, we can write it, practice it, and go for exam, and we can write it down. But numerical is every time is new, and that is very difficult for me. This is the
Yes, ma'am.
pre-assumption, whatever you are doing. That is not the thing. That is totally wrong. My suggestion is, whenever numerical is coming, you should be like a struggler. You have to just fight for it. What is the numerical now? In numerical, something will be given. So you have to fight for it. What is given in the question? That's why whenever we are doing the numericals, I already informed you that we will do the questions in next class. So why you are facing difficulty? So it's your duty, because I can't be every time in your place. I'll be for only 1 hour in your whole day. So now it's your
Yes,
duty
ma'am.
that whenever we have to try the numerical, so you have to revise the formulas. Okay, because you have
Yes,
left
ma'am.
maths behind, you don't choose maths, but still you have to face maths. You can't hide your face from maths. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
maths is very important in the whole entire life. You are the science student, you are not the commerce or arts student. Even for commerce also you have to face maths. Maths will be everywhere, you can't hide from maths. Okay, now see, I
Yes,
think
ma'am.
meeting will end in next 2 minutes, you have to rejoin it. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
now see, so whenever numerical you have to do, you should be very confident, because you are in class now, you are not giving the test. Whenever you have to and you face any difficulty, you can ask. Don't hesitate for asking. I am there for you.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
whenever we have to do the numerical, you have to revise the formulas first. You should be very confident in formulas. You can write it or whatever, you have to first learn the formula, then you have to enter the class for numerical. That's why every time
Yes.
I'm saying, no, just revise the back portion and then enter the class. Take 5 minutes before entering the class. You will be late, no problem. But at least you should be confident in class. Now see, this is
Yes.
the numerical. Now in numerical, you have to read the question twice or thrice. Why you are facing difficulty? Because you forgot the previous thing. What is spring constant? What was force equals to k, F equals to kx? Now what is k and what is x and what is f? From where this come? So this will come from the revision of previous thing. Okay, if you forgot the theory, you can't be, because numerical is the extended version of theory. When we do the derivation, from that derivation we get a, at the end we will get the formula. But for applying that formula also, you should know na, this notation is for what, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
So I, this question I'll do for you. See, read the question first, 2 times read the question.
Okay, ma'am.
Read and try to tell me what is given in the question. Okay, read it twice.
Okay, ma'am.